Our lungs are crucial organs and gatekeepers of life that distribute fresh oxygen throughout our body. Maintaining healthy lungs is very important for overall health and well-being. In today's polluted environment, it's important to take proactive steps to detoxify and maintain the respiratory system. Here are some tips you can use to detox your lungs. Controlled coughing. Coughing is the body's way of naturally expelling toxins that it has trapped in mucus. Controlled coughing loosens excess mucus in the lungs, sending it up through the airways. Also, lying in different positions to use gravity to remove mucus from the lungs is a good tip which improves breathing and helps treat or prevent lung infections. Steam therapy. Steam inhalation therapy can be beneficial for cleansing and detoxifying the lungs. Steam inhalation involves breathing in warm, moist air, which can help cleanse and detoxify the lungs by promoting the expulsion of mucus and other respiratory secretions. Eat lung-healthy foods. Lung-healthy foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the lungs. Certain essential oils, such as eucalyptus or peppermint, can help open up the airways and improve respiratory health. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity not only benefits your overall health, but also promotes lung health. Exercise helps improve lung function, enhances blood circulation, and encourages deeper breathing, which aids in removing toxins from the lungs. Perform breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help expand lung capacity, improve circulation, and improve the efficiency of oxygen exchange. Popular techniques like diaphragmatic breathing, which involves taking a deep inhalation and then exhaling slowly, are also helpful for the lungs. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the most harmful habits for your lungs. If you smoke, quitting is the most effective way to improve your lung health and prevent further damage. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is vital for lung health. Proper hydration keeps the respiratory system moist and helps thin the mucus, making it easier for the lungs to expel toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Avoid exposure to pollutants. Minimize your exposure to air pollutants such as smoke, chemical fumes, and dust. Use protective masks when necessary and try to breathe in clean, fresh air as much as possible. Also avoid artificial scents which can lead to respiratory problems such as allergies, asthma, and bronchitis. Maintain a clean indoor environment. Keeping your living space clean and free from indoor air pollutants is crucial for lung health. Regularly dust surfaces, vacuum carpets, and use natural cleaning products to minimize the use of harsh chemicals. Ensure proper ventilation to improve air circulation and reduce the accumulation of pollutants. Herbal drinks. Mint tea, green tea, and ginger have been found to have beneficial effects for respiratory health. Mint tea has respiratory benefits as well as potential relief from digestive discomfort. Ginger helps protect the lungs from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Green tea contains many antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation in the lungs. Detoxifying your lungs is a gradual process that requires commitment and lifestyle changes. By implementing these tips, you can support your respiratory health, enhance lung function, and reduce the risk of respiratory ailments. Remember, it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance.